What if I told you one simple exercise could completely change the way your body looks, feels, and performs in just 30 days? Not a fancy gym machine, not a complicated workout split, just one movement. But here's the catch. Most people are doing it completely wrong, and they don't even realize it. In fact, the wrong form might be the exact reason your shoulders hurt, your core stays weak, or your progress feels stuck. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this exercise the right way, step by step, and what happened when I did it every single day for 30 days. And trust me, the biggest transformation wasn't even physical. So let me ask you something. Have you ever done an exercise so many times that you stopped thinking about how you were doing it? That's exactly what happened to me. I thought I had perfect form. I thought more reps meant better results. But then I recorded myself, and wow, my posture was collapsing. My core wasn't engaged, and I was basically letting momentum do all the work. It's like trying to build a skyscraper on soft sand. No matter how impressive it looks at first, eventually the structure breaks down. That's when I decided, for the next 30 days, I would focus on one exercise and perform it with flawless technique. Not faster, not heavier, better. Here's the #1 mistake almost everyone makes with this exercise. They focus on completing the rep instead of controlling the movement. Your muscles don't count reps. They respond to tension, stability, and control. Most people rush through the motion like they're trying to escape it, but the body loves control. People let their shoulders shrug, their lower back arch, or their neck strain forward. That turns a powerful exercise into a stress test for your joints. You can do 100 sloppy reps and get less benefit than 10 perfect ones. Before you even move, lock in your position. Your body should feel stable and balanced. Imagine screwing your feet into the floor or gripping the ground beneath you, because force starts from the ground up. If your foundation is weak, the rest of the movement leaks energy everywhere. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Without it, your body folds under pressure. The lowering part of the movement is where a lot of muscle growth actually happens. Lower yourself with control. Take about 2 to 3 seconds. Feel every inch of the movement. Your body should move like a single unit, not like separate pieces falling apart. By week 2, I noticed better control, better posture, and way more mind-muscle connection. By day 30, not only did my physique improve, but everyday movements became easier too. So here's your challenge. Right now, do 10 flawless reps. Slow down, brace your core, control every inch. Remember, your body doesn't change from random effort. It changes from intentional repetition. Keep practicing, keep refining, and 30 days from now, you might not even recognize the stronger version of yourself staring back in the mirror.